Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a video on this look right here. Today is my very dear friend Mackenzie's birthday and we are gonna be going to dinner and going out afterwards, so I wanted to do this look right here. I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette today, just like I used in the last look on here, last makeup tutorial I should say. This was also inspired by, I'm gonna butcher this, I'm so sorry. This was inspired by Nyakim Gatwech's Emmy's dress. I saw it and absolutely stunning. Just the iridescent gold over that hot pink. I was like, makeup look. So anyway, if you do want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. Okay, so my eyes are primed already. I am going to be using, once again, the Morphe Jaclyn Hill collaboration, Vault collection, whatever. The Ring the Alarm palette. This really beautiful one right here. And today's inspiration actually derived from, I can't pronounce her name. This is based off of Nyakim Gatwech's Emmy's dress. Her dress is flippin' beautiful. It's like fuchsia with gold, like iridescence, but then like if you look at it in the right light, it's also like a deep plummy, purpley, beautiful, oh my god, I loved it. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Or do my best to recreate. So on that note, we're gonna get started. I have no idea if I'm gonna do another halo eye. I might. I'll figure it out. We're just gonna wing it, okay? Have not played with this look at all. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to go in with Rush first, this transition shade. And because I'm doing a halo eye, yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do a halo eye. Sorry guys, I really like them. I'm gonna make sure this transition shade is really high up. So I was just now using a R34 and now I'm going in with my M441. It's clean. All right, so now that this orangey shade is down, I need to clean my brushes really bad. I'm gonna take my R39 brush and go in with Framed here. It's a really pretty purple, deep purple, red, purpley red. I'm just gonna pack that. It is so flippin' gorgeous. Oh my god. So fall, so warm. So I'm gonna go in with Bomb Ass, and I know I've used this color already, but I'm not gonna spray it with Fix Plus yet. We're gonna layer over top of Frame, this dark color. I'm gonna pack it in the middle where we still have skin showing. So now I'm gonna spray it with Fix Plus. I'm gonna touch back in with Framed on the edges here and just blend everything together a little bit more. Because I am not really trying to go for a cut crease. I'm trying to go for that, like, when you turn your eyes, it kind of gives that, like, glint of another color like her dress does. So now that we've done that, I'm gonna pop back in with Rush and also blend everything out a little bit more. Okay, now we're gonna go in with, on camera, this beautiful gold. I am thoroughly obsessed with it and I'm so excited to use it. So first I'm just gonna tap over everything. I'm gonna make it a little bit heavier in the middle. And now I am gonna use Fix Plus. I'm gonna make it a little bit heavier in the center. So now that the gold is down, I'm just gonna touch back over the edges a little bit more with Bomb Ass. Make sure it still kind of comes through. Just to bring Framed back out a little bit, I'm gonna tap it on the edges because I feel like it got lost a little bit. All the blending. Okie dokie. I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face and I will show you guys the finished look. Okay, BRB. All right guys, so this completes this look. I am all ready for dinner, going out, whatever we're gonna do. I curled my hair. Can't see all of it because it's actually really long now. But yeah, actually I'm really happy with how this turned out. It looks exactly how I wanted it to. I love when this happens, when you can just wing something. And this is the second look that I'll be doing using that palette, just like I did with the last Dark Magic one. So those are done. I'll probably be, you know, coming up with more looks as I go on, but I just wanted to get two out there for you guys. Yeah, So Mackenzie's about to get here. I'm going to do her makeup for tonight. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm starving. So I'm really, really excited to have a good night with her. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below. If you did like this, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you do like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The little button's right over here, right next to the like button. Yeah, I'm going to get set up for Mackenzie and pick up here and there, so I will see you guys in my next video.